Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Rooney Lin once again, and my first video actually creating today in year 2026. And today I'm going to continue some brain exercises as usual here, programming and CS chapter, speak the language of computers. You can see the pointer pointing at thinking in Python, kind of some exercise related to computing. I'm going to do some recap and kind of doing some level review like in previous chapters. So why not do this straight away? So I'll click on it. Wait for a moment. All right, there we have it. Thinking in Python. Level 1 variables here. As I already mentioned just now, I'm going to work out some level review, interesting exercise at the very end of this level recap from the exercises that I've done previously. So this one's what I'm going to focus on right now. So I'll click here, start to begin the level review. You wait for a moment for the content to get loading. Wait. Yes. Here's the first question to be encountered. What is wrong with this program? Is it line 3 sets a variable incorrectly, or line 7 brings a variable that hasn't been set yet? Yes, power. None of the variables are power, so this one must be true. Now let's check it. That's correct. Let's click Y. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, line 7 attempts to bring a variable called power, but the program doesn't define a variable with that name. See, name, age, password, score, or string. None of them are power variables, so it definitely will not print any of them after all. So basic question here. I'll click continue. Question number 2 here. Fix the program. So the power variable to be replaced with one of the following. Which one is it? Power, year, string, address. Only string. Only variable present. So now let's check it. Yup, that is now correct. Now let's see why. Since line 5 defines the variable string, change the print statement to that variable name. String will output this character string here, weak, as you just discovered. Another symbol changing the incorrect variable to get the correct variable output as required. Now continue. Question number 3. Why doesn't the program print the final value of string? Oh yes. Let's see. Print statement show quotation around string. That's correct. Executes before the final update of string. Executes before final update of strings. Here, line 12 and 13. Strong, so just change. Doesn't print. It executes, I assume. Let's check. Yup, that is correct now. Let's see why. The final update to string happens line 13 before line 12 runs. Oh yeah. Actually, like printing first string, then changing string to strong string will not print that string variable after all. So just to better watch out if that variable might change somewhere in that text or something else. Anyway, let's move on and click continue. Oh, fix the program. It should print the most up-to-date string value. So they are in the wrong order, so this comes first, then this. Now let's check. Yup, that is now the correct variable output just being printed. Let's click Y, shall we? Now update the string variable comes first in line 12 here equals strong. Before printing it, that strong string comes out the output in Python as you just discovered here. So that's kind of different orders, and then rearranging it now gets the correct output as appropriate. Okay, continue to the next one. This is actually question number 5. What is wrong with the print statement? Print score is string. String is strong. Oh yeah. Score variable No, strength variable is not be. Oscillation by norm place. Actually here, strength variable has not been set. You see this strength was strong should comes first before branding it. That must be the correct one, I assume. Let's check it once again. Yup, correct again. Let's see why. The strength variable is set on line 6 after the print statement. You see, these last two lines, 5 and 6, are in the wrong order, so need to appropriately change that order and get the correct output to be executed. Since they're in the wrong order, this print line will not execute. No. Or another mistake to determine, everyone has to consider what else might have gone wrong in this entire program. Anyway, continue. Question number 6. Okay, fix the program. Yes, actually, quite a simple error to be fixed. So these two must change orders to get the appropriate printing output execution. So here, this one, and the next one should be this. Let's check it. Yup. Now that is correct, as I mentioned you earlier. Let's see why once again. Alright. Sorry for double tapping it. Switch the order of the last two lines so the strength variable is set before it's printed. Yes. Every single both strong and strength variables are set, then print will only execute these required strings and integers as you already discovered previously. Anyway, let's move on and click continue. Question number 7. What is wrong with this program? It is supposed to add 2 to the score and then triple it. Oh yeah. Look at this, score equal 2 and 3. Only update score. So does not update by adding or multiplying. Only one is correct. Let's check. That is correct. Quite a simple question, isn't it? Let's see why. Line 6 just sets the score to 2, and then line 7 says it's 3. Okay, I'm not hilariously telling you at the moment, just the program is giving these stupid executions. That's why. Printing, then no producing function like adding, subtracting, or multiplying doesn't generate anything, just 2, 3 kind of randomly. Okay, better watch out for that next time out. So I'll click continue to the next. Okay, question number 8. Now we should fix the program. First, add 2 to the score and then triple it. Okay, I thought I've done this Python program like calculating functions like adding, subtracting a few weeks earlier, so I thought I might be supposed to able to make it correctly, right? Let's see. Add to the score, so plus equals 2, this one. Then triple it, so it must be times equal 3. That should work, doesn't it? Let's check it. Yup, that is once again correct. Let's see why. To add 2 first, make line 6 score plus equal 2, so add 2 to that executing score here, existing one, then line 7 triples with star equals 3, the Python character, how it should be executed. 6 plus 2, 8 times 3 is 24. You can see output is 24 as I correctly execute it once again. Anyway, a few more questions to finish off this review, so continue. Here is question number 9. What is wrong with this program? It is supposed to increase score by 2 points for every number in the password. Which one? Line 9 says numbers to the wrong value. Line 10 multiplies instead of adding. I think line 10 multiplying is correct. Line 9 says numbers to the wrong value. Yeah, it actually multiplies instead of adding. This one must be correct. Alright, I think I got it. Let's check. Yup, that is luckily correct. Let's see why. Yes, line 10 multiplies score by 2 times numbers should add that amount to the existing score. So just the symbol required here is wrong. Just as that. It should actually add up, not multiply. Minor mistake. Also, once again, you have to better watch out for the next time. So I think only one more question to go. So click continue. Oh yes, finally, this is the final question number 10 in this level review for Python variables in the very beginning of the introduction. So here, fix the program, increase score by 2 points for every number in the password. So only this line 10 has to be fixed. Which one is correct? 2 times numbers means 2 numbers present here, so score should be increase score by 2 points. Yes, this one must be the correct one. Let's check it. Yup, that is correct, luckily. And let's see why in the very end here now. Use plus equals, so score grows by 2 times numbers instead of multiplying by it. So length 6 at plus score length plus 1, uppercase 2 plus 8, so plus 2 for each value, so 8 plus 4 equals 12. Wait, I'll close. No, sorry, actually the score is 13. 6, 8, and uppercase, and 13. Oh yeah, score times score, then score is 13. Kind of now we got the correct output as required. Anyway, we've just completed this level review exercise together with me, so why not click finish to conclude it? Yes, level complete. I've successfully completed this level review, finish off this level 1 here, so as a result I've gained 160 XP experience points this time around. Continue. Boom. Wow, streak extended. Total number of days doing these exercise on brilliant.org kind of activities and courses have successfully extended to 26. 26 days in a row. Here from Tuesday, 5 day streak, like I've just completed here on Saturday. That's why lightning bolt symbol has been added. Like I keep doing this every day, but unfortunately must have to stop this activity somehow. I'll tell you later. Continue. Oh wait, this is just, I like to remind you, this is just being the brilliant.org personalized ads, just kind of not appropriately just want to come out, especially like us, because we as free users, free accounts have to encounter this personalized ads interruption. Sorry for that. And here, level up your non-web premium. No, I'm only doing this free, never premium after all. So remind me later. Wait for a moment before I sum this up. Yes, level 1, level review for thinking Python has successfully completed. Just now we've done together with me. And moving on to next level is level 2, conditional logic. Kind of next exercise I'm going to encounter with these Python variables and codings like I've did in the as a part of a beginner. Anyway, that's it all for this educational video that I've created to you today so far. And thank you very much for watching. And if you do enjoy watching this, don't forget to add a like as always and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Checking out other related educational videos that I already recorded and saved in my playlist as well in my Runilin YouTube channel. So feel free to ask any question or comments, anything, and don't miss out for other videos previously or coming up in the future. Yes, I'm going to create more educational videos in the future. Wait, there's a extra additional reminder though. I've got a big university exam coming up next week or so. So this is my last recording before my exam. Unfortunately, has to kind of step down doing these activities like on videos for couple of weeks of moment, but I'll only come back once my exams are over. Then we can continue our Brilliant.org courses progresses. So that will be even more interesting if you wish to watch other videos that are recorded or more coming up in the future. Anyway, that's it all for today, everyone. I'll see you in the next video, guys, by the way. Take care. Cheers. Bye.